Josh, you turn up when your photos get taken.
Darren Williams, who is chair of the Mountain Inlet Partnership, and also some town councillors. We have Ian Curtis, the town mayor, here as well. Darren, how do you feel today's members?
I'm really pleased with the way the festival has gone. Absolutely brilliant. So many of the community around the scene turn up and drive by what Ramsey Really Park is doing around it. It's also great to see the feedback from the skate park.